What's going on, everyone? This is Joe, and we are here to unbox this headlamp from Gearbest. As you can see in the box, it looks okay. It looks nice. I've ordered this I think I think it's almost 2 months ago, and this come here like this. I don't know if this is going to function. They come with it is in this wrapping paper inside, and I think it is being squeezed when it's in the cargo. So let's open it. It's open already. This is a headlamp from Gearbest. It's called the YWXLight 30-watt headlamp. 30-watt headlamp, zoomable flashlight. So this is what's inside the box. They said this is waterproof, but I don't want to test it if it is really a waterproof device. There's no charger. No charger. Okay. Very disappointed with this. Well, but the quality of the product is good. Looks nice. Plastic here, but I think it's sturdy. It's solid. The strap, it's okay. This one, they say that they designed it for waterproof. I think this will not hold the water. I think the water will come inside this battery compartment. I have 2 batteries here. I will try this tonight. Looks nice. It's a zoomable flashlight. I think you have to push it. Oh yeah, there. You have to pull this here. It will zoom. We are going to test it. I also have this one here. This is a $15 in Gearbest, $15. And this one, this is only in a local store. The brand is Sunstar. Let's see. We're going to compare them. If this $15 versus $2.5, if this price is worth it. And this come here very late, and it was almost squeezed, or I don't know if this is going to work. I've tested the product. I installed the battery, but it's not turning on. I thought it was broken, and when I look at this portion here, it's not really protruding, and it's not touching the battery. That's why it's not turning on. So I solder it, put some soldering iron there. If you can see that, I solder it myself. Now it's turning on. I will test it. This one here is positive. The other side is also positive. The battery is positive. All battery will be positive here, and this one here is negative. Don't put it like this, positive here and negative here. No, this portion of the battery is the positive one, so you have to put it like that. And then it's functioning, as you can see there. It's okay. If you have this problem, you have to build up that portion. All the functions are, all the 3 modes are functioning well. Okay guys, let's test it tonight. It's now almost 8 at night. We are going to test this outside now, and it's comfortable in the head, nice to wear. Okay guys, we're here now outside. We're going to test this headlamp, and we're going to turn on the first mode. The light is very bright. I hope you can see it, very bright. The second mode is like a yellowish color. I don't know if that will show in the video. It's like a little yellowish color. And then the third mode, all of the bulb is on. As you can see, all of the bulb is on. And then the fourth one is the SOS. There, it's very irritating in the eye. There you go. The light is good. The price $15. I think this headlamp is good. Highly recommended for camping. This is good equipment for camping. You can see clearly at night with this headlamp. Let's compare this to my $2.5 local headlamp. Okay, now guys, we have the two LED lamp. This one is the $2.5. I bought this in a local store. This one is the $15 from Gearbest. Let's see how the light goes. We will start with this one, the $2.5. As you can see, not very bright, but at distance, this flashlight, this headlamp is good at distance. As you can see there, I don't know if that's going to show in the video, but there you go. This flashlight, this headlamp have two modes. Let's try the second mode. There, it's a little bit brighter than the first mode. Now let's compare the light of the $15 from Gearbest. As you can see, it's beating the light of my headlamp. And the second mode of this $15 from Gearbest, the YXW blah 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 headlamp. As you can see, this headlamp from Gearbest is really bright. It's worth it for the money, I think. And also it has this picture in the back of the battery. It's having a light, and when you go to SOS, it's also going to blink like an SOS at the back. So in the front you have an SOS, and in the back you have also an SOS. So this headlamp is, I think it's good for $15. There you have it, guys. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell button to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, guys.